Hello friends, I am again with the chapter 7 class 6 science. Here I am going to discuss the remaining portion of the flower. Here this is activity 11. Activity 11 is given. Let us now study the structure of ovary. Now we are going to discuss about the ovary. It is the lowermost swollen part of the pistil. Here this is the ovary. It is the lowermost swollen portion here. This is ovary. It is given. We will cut this part to study what is inside. We have to cut the ovary, then we can see what is present inside it. Look at figure 7.25a and B carefully and understand how to cut the ovary of a flower. Here we will cut the ovary transverse section as well as longitudinal sections to see what is inside it and how it looks. Here it is cut with a blade. This portion is transverse section, and here it is the picture given. This is longitudinal portion and this is transverse portion. Cut the ovary in two different ways as shown in the 7.25 here. To prevent them from drying, put a drop of water on each of the two pieces of the ovary you have cut. Also, water has the quality to magnify something. If we put the water in the cutting portion, we can see it more clearly. Observe the inner portion or parts of ovary using lens. Do you see some small beads like structure inside the ovary? They are called ovules. Draw and label the inner parts of the ovary in your notebook. Here this is the ovules. These are small bead like structure which is present inside the ovary in different chambers. Try to find out the names as many flowers as you can by asking the gardener or any other person. Remember not to pluck more flowers than you need. Based on what you have filled the table 7.3, answer the following questions. Do all flowers have sepals, petals, stamens and pistils? Are there flowers that do not have one or more of these? Are there flowers which have parts other than this? Did you find any flower which has no difference between sepals and petals? Did you find any flower in which the number of stamens is different from the number of petals? Do you now agree that the structure of flower is not always same? The number of sepals, petals, stamens and pistils may also be different in different flowers. Some of these parts may have even be absent at a time. We have studied some features and functions of leaves, stamens, roots. We studied the structure of different flowers. We will learn about the function of flowers in higher classes. We will also learn about fruits in higher classes. So it is now we study different parts of the flowers like sepal, petal, ovary, anther, filament, like that. And we came to know that every flower is different from each other. One is some flowers are bell shaped, some flowers are round shape, and some don't have every part at a time. So different flowers have different structure, but basically these structures are common in every flowers. Thank you friends for watching. Bye.